Hi everyone! Today we're going to set up a local Minecraft server so we can test our own Spigot plugins. Let's get started step by step. First, open your browser and search for Java download Xms1G. Then click on the official Oracle link. Scroll down. Choose either the Windows x64 installer or the Windows x64 MSI installer depending on your system. Once it's downloaded, you see a file like this. Open it, click yes. Then click next. Click next again. And then close. Now open your browser and search for Build Tools Spigot Download. Scroll down and click on the official Spigot link and download the file. If you're using Microsoft Edge, click the three dots next to the download and select Keep. Now open the file. If you get a warning, click More Info, then Run Anyway. That's totally normal for files that aren't downloaded often. Select your Minecraft version. Then select the folder. Click on Desktop, then choose Desktop and right click New Folder and name it Server. Then double click and open. Now click Compile and wait while it builds the server files. While it's compiling, open File Explorer, go to Desktop Server, right click New Text Document and rename it to start.bat. Then click on Yes and right click Edit a Notepad. Paste the script. I'll also include it in the video description. Go to File, Save and then close the window. Once Build Tools is done, double click the bat file you just created. Let it run. When it says press any key to continue, do that. Now open the olap.txt and change false to true. Save and close. Then run the start.bat file again. Click Allow Access if Windows asks, and your server is running. To find your local IP address, open command prompt and type ipconfig. Look for the line that says IP address. That's your local server IP. That's it. You now have a working local Minecraft server to test your plugins. In the next episode we'll create our first plugin and run it on the server. Thanks for watching, but don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Bye.